Do the Time Warp, the Rocky Horror Picture Show, tomorrow at 5 to 10 on BBC Two, and a real treat now on BBC One, uncut with strong language and violence, Halloween 4.
This is an emergency broadcast from the Home Office. At 11 a.m. today, the National Aeronautics Space Agency was alerted to a fast-moving object approaching the atmosphere. This object is travelling at excessive speed towards Earth. Please stand by for more information. This object is now flying towards Earth at speed. Take shelter now. Only take essential items with you. Go to a room with no windows. Or go to your basement. Take a battery-powered radio with you. The BBC will remain on the air. Take shelter now. This object will impact Earth in the next minute. We at the BBC wish you a peaceful passing. We will now end with the national anthem.